Everybody is trying to get more traffic, get more leads, and increase conversion. I'm here to solve your problem. Check out this short video.
The right track is where you're at. Free Dave here, Dave D. Williamson, founder of the Social Pro Revolution coaching movement. I have a few questions for all of you watching this video. Okay? For you people that are already involved with a business opportunity and already doing fairly well with it, you have a list and you're making money, how would you like to network it 200-fold more? Another question for you. You people that are already in a business opportunity, have you got good upline support? And if so, are they showing you how to immediately get on the first page of Google to pull millions of organic traffic prospects to you? Do you have an upline or a coaching or a sponsor that is actually showing you something that really works and is available every time you call them on Skype so they can use live screen share and actually show you, care enough to show you what's working? I want to share a few things with you today that is going to blow your head off your shoulders. Today is 3/22 on Sunday, and yes, Social Pro coaches are always working. We work 7 days a week. I have David Woodward online here. He is my top certified coach. Say hello, Dave.
Hey, everybody out there in the marketing world. How are you today?
And I have Michael Brewer, Steve Riddle, and Serena Zimmerman. They are all studying to be certified to get their certification with me in Social Pro. Say hello, Michael, and Steve, and Serena.
Hello, everybody.
Okay, gang, let's go to live screen share, which we are on right now, and we're going to go over to Google, okay? First thing I want to mention is, no matter what business opportunity you join, you are joining a business opportunity. That opportunity wants you to brand them, not yourself. That's the biggest holy grail mistake you can make in this world, gang. Because if that business goes under, you lost the list. You're not branded, you have to start all over again, okay? So with Social Pro, my point is here, we're going to show you what we do for our students, okay? Now this applies for anybody that is in any MLM or direct sales business or is dealing with any product or service, okay? So I don't care what you're doing, branding comes first, but you need a program or some training or a live coach, more importantly, to accomplish anything on the internet, that is going to show you and get you on the first page of Google, okay? At Social Pro, we look out for our students. Now, let me show you an example here. This is going to blow your mind. I'm going to come in here and type in the longest keyword phrase that is the most notorious for organic traffic searching for any business, okay? They're going to type in, what is Monivey? What is Empower Network? What is, Limu? Whatever. They're going to type in, what is Social Pro Revolution? Got a question for you, gang. Are you coming up for your business opportunity in here? If I type in, what is Empower Network? Is your name going to show up here? Let's go look. I don't know who else watching this video, probably thousands of people, but I'm going to type this in here, okay? Because with most businesses, only the people that know what they're doing to get on the first page of Google are going to be here. Do you see any names in here? Do you see any names whatsoever, gang? Nothing. Now let me show you something else. Let me go back. What is Social Pro Revolution, okay? We care for our students. We truly care for you. Who do you see in here? You see Janet Muldoon, her testimonial. You see Barbara, her testimonial. That's another student of mine. This is one of my videos. Kimberly, you see her video in here. Earl Cox's branding video. Let me show you the real proofs in the pudding. David Woodard, let me show you this. Now I'm going to put, what is Social Pro Revolution? David Woodard, okay? This is important, gang. Keep watching this video because I am showing you education that will blow your marketing up. You just need to come to us and get a coach. You need to get qualified for our training. That's the only trick. Is you got to watch the Skype video and contact me on Skype. That's all you got to do. And I will show you this kind of stuff, okay? And this is what will retire you early. You want to keep spinning your tires, building your business for the next 20 years? Hey, feel free. But if you listen to what I'm telling you, I will help you, okay? Here's David Woodard. Over here on the call, we have David. He's my top certified coach. Look at that. Dave, what is Social Pro Revolution? David Woodard. They're showing him LinkedIn, Here's one of his posts on Canal. Canal's another student. That's his testimonial. David Woodard, right here again, he made a post on Marika. That's her testimonial. Tom O'Riordan, that's another student of ours. And Dave's getting branding for it. David Woodard, look at that. Michael was fighting with the devil. Well, guess what? This is Michael. See that? Dave's branding Michael and himself using our branding techniques. They're both getting recognition. Now, let me back up here. Oh, here's Dave, Dr. D. Dr. D is David's nickname. Mine is Free Dave, okay? We also teach you how to brand your puppet name or puppy name, whatever you want to call it, your nickname, what you want to go by. It makes you stand out. So, look, Dr. D is David Woodard. Look at this, Dr. D. Coach David. You see how he's here, referral key. That's another network. See that? So let me come up here and show you something. 27,400 results. Now let me ask you something. Do you have 27,000 people in organic traffic on Google looking for you or typing in your business opportunity and having your name coming up? The answer is no. I already know. Because these business opportunities don't teach you how to brand yourself with that business. That's why you're not coming up here, okay? All you have to do is get on the first page of Google, and you're looking at millions of prospects for your business, okay? So I can not only teach you how to do this, all our coaches can teach you how to do this within the first 30 days with us, okay? Not only that, but once your prospects start coming to you off of Google, then we're going to teach you how to influence them into joining you in your business. And guess what our conversion rates are right now? What are they, Dave? Up around 70, 80%?
They're somewhere in the neighborhood of 80 to 85 right now.
Yeah, that's how high we are converting people into coming in to our business and your business, okay? That's what we can teach you how to do, all right? Let's do another test here. Let's type in Mikey here, Michael Brewer. James Woods, right here. Michael made a post. I did the copywriting. I do all the influencer copywriting for my students. If you had posts for your business opportunity that Free Dave's doing your copywriting, you're going to attract people to you like a magnet. I guarantee it because my students are doing it. Here, James Wood, that's one of our students. Michael posted for him, and they're branding both of these guys, okay? Both of them are branding each other. Brewer was an Empower Network. Look at that. He's on the first page of Google. LinkedIn. I don't know what this is, government. Here's another post from Michael. Michael again. Look at him. All down through here. Okay? Let's do another one. And we have Steve Riddle here. So let's do Steve. Here's Steve Riddle. Okay, what is Social Pro? Steve Riddle. So say somebody or 1,000 prospects want to know more about Steve. They see him in Facebook. They see him in Social Pro. But you know what? They've had coaches before that claimed to help them, and they got burned. They lost money. So they go to Google, and they type in, what is Social Pro? Steve Riddle. So they want to know how good Steve is with Social Pro. So look at this. See what we come up with here, Stevie. These got your name in them, too. Look at that. Okay? So there you go. And here's Steve Riddle again. Here's Steve Riddle again. Personal coaching, Steve Riddle again. With Richard Trump's video. He's another student of ours. Founder in SEO. Right here, Names Network. That's another network he's in. Here's Google Plus Network. Look at this, gang. MLM Social. Do you see how many prospects our coaches can get? Do you see why we get free leads, signups, and sales for life? And we never have to chase down a prospect? They come running to us to get our free coaching. This is what we teach you to do, gang. Okay? Very important video here, man. I'm telling you. Let's do Serena. Now, Serena, she wandered off chasing the next shiny object, lost about $1,000, wandered off with Social Pro, and she got tired of failing. And here she is back. Is that correct, Serena?
Yes.
Look at this. Right here, YouTube video, Serena was a Biz Hopper. I know which one that was. Here's another video. Look at that. Yakko, he's a new student of ours. She's already branding Yakko, and Yakko's videos getting her on the first page of Google. Look at that. Cleveland, Ohio, personal coaching. Referral Key, that's another network. I could go on, gang. Look, LinkedIn. Here's another one. Congratulations to, Nasha Hoppy. Serena's branding her. She's branding Serena. Darren Weathers, too. This is at DarrenWeathers.com. Darren Weathers is another student of us. Are you getting these kind of results? Can I go look up your name with your business opportunity? Can I type in what is Power Network, Joe Smo, whatever, your name? Are you going to come up like this? Ask yourself that question, then answer that question. Because if you answered no, you're leaving money on the table. You could have retired by now. If you've been working for 5 years, you could have retired by now, learning what you know from me. Because right here, just from Google, can increase your business 1,000-fold. That's what the leaders do. They learn how to brand themselves and get on the first page of Google. Okay, gang? So I just want to share that with you and show you how really tough this is for your business. It can change it overnight. If you're not getting free lead signups and sales for life, knocking your door down in over 15 networks, wanting to know, begging you to get your coaching or get qualified for it or to find out what business you're in, you need to come see us. All you have to do, follow the simple instructions below or beside above this video. Come get a hold of us on Skype. See if you get qualified for the free $1,000 in one-on-one personal coaching that we give you without any strings, no black hat marketing. We're not going to bull crap you. We will show you results within your first 3 hours, sometimes within your first hour. Okay? While most people are failing day in and day out, year after year on the internet. Say goodbye, everybody. We're going to cut this video short.
Goodbye, everybody. Nice seeing you.
Goodbye, everybody. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Catch you later, gang. Toodaloo.
Don't wait another minute. Act right now. Spots are limited.